welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is why it's important to have patience during your struggle times. Well, many of the people ask me that. Even myself, I had this question earlier which I answer to people now, that why we need to be patient and be stagnant with time, and when we have a difficult time, and we should not immediately try to jump into some new decisions or try to jump into some new ideas, or if we get some opportunity, we should not jump into it immediately. The reason behind that is the difficult times that comes to us. Of course, these difficult times are very painful, but at the same time, these times teaches a lot of things that we ever have expected in life, or we ever have gathered so much courage. This courage is going to help us to get into a step into a new situation and handle it better. And if we once we when we face that struggles in life or problems, lots of challenges, unexpected challenges that we have never expected in life, and if we get the opportunity to move from that, of course we should move from that. In fact, in my case, of course, I also moved from that. But one needs to have a thinking pace, have a peaceful mind at that time to think what next is going to happen, because whatever we decide in our mind, we can have that in our life. And if we don't plan anything, if we don't decide anything, of course nothing is going to be in our favor, or nothing is going to be according whatever we have wished. So of course it's very important to be patient at the time when we have difficulties in life. It's rather when you have to you have to go through this challenging and difficult times. So that time it's better to accept it and to be peaceful at that time, to know that what's better is going to happen, because most of the cases better things happen. Well, to understand this, we have to get into our past memory, past life, or whatever we have been through so far. Many times if we think of our past things, past incidents, we can find that many times we have been in difficult situation and we have overcome that. Or if we are not able to overcome that, with time situations changes. But the problem is that we tend to behave in an impulsive manner, and we try to change the situation then and then. And then it happens is we tend to make the situation even more worse. From the difficult situation, it becomes into a very worse kind of situation, and we kind of not able to think what next can be happen, because we rather we should see some external sources, take help from something, or try to see that what better can happen, what better has happened in others life. So what things can happen, what else can we expect, what else good can we expect from life. So rather what we do is we kind of blame our own self, we blame our families, we blame our fate, and this way what happens, mind becomes very much negative. And with this negative mind, we cannot think anything better. And once we cannot think better, better things hardly happens. The much happens is whatever universe thinks is best for us. So when we think that we need something good according to our own wish, and it's a very difficult time, and we need to change the time, we need to get out of this that situation, of course we need to be peaceful and think of the situation, think analysis, and understand what's going on and what else can be happen, what else good can happen, because there is no end for good. If you have something today, tomorrow you may have better than something better than that, because there are no end for good, no end for bad. So of course think for the best, and think for whatever best can happen that has yet happened in your life. So peaceful mind is very important, because impulse decisions can turn many bad situations into more worse kind of situations. So definitely it's very important to have patience. So here today I have cleared about why one needs to be patient and why it's important. And maybe you can say that it's very difficult to have patience. Yes, it's difficult to have patience. The reason for that is that we don't like we blame the situation, that current situation, and we have no hope for future, and that's why we don't have that control over ourselves. So to gain that control, to gain that impulsive attitude, we need to understand that something better is going to happen. We need to educate ourselves to believe that something better is also going to happen. Once we have set our mind in that way, of course good thing is going to happen. Of course best things we can expect in life, and it will turn out to be a great thing, and we can enjoy that. Thank you friends, hope this was helpful to you. Here I have given you a clear guide of what's the benefit of being patient, because one's patience is not that easy thing, but once you understand the basic of it, once you understand the positive side of it, of course it's very easy to have patience in life and in difficult times. So thank you friends, bye bye, love you all.